right, so, Andrew.
What up?
This is your GT-R. This is where he gets to put his money where his mouth is. We get to see if this thing is actually fast or not. We shall see.
I've been told I've got a big mouth, so it's a lot of money to put there, right?
Yeah. Yeah, run on the road real quick.
Yeah, that's the low power setting. Cut real quick in this thing. I'll give you an example, right? So you hear how lazy most big turbo cars are in first gear, right? So we're going to start rolling from, say, 4,000 RPM in first gear.
God damn. Yeah.
Hey, it's on quick. Have I put enough money where my giant mouth is the question.
I don't know. Maybe one more pull, we'll see. Sing boogies.
I thought he'd want to slow down for a race, but obviously not.
Well, this thing rips. Hell
Glad
yeah,
you
dude.
like it, man.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's my goal to show every American what an Aussie GT-R can do.
So I guess this is why Hurt wanted a GT-R when he came back from Australia. I mean, I kind of get it now. I get it.
I need it.
You're ruined now.
I need it. I need all of it.
This is true. Fast car. Fast car. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong.
It's actually.
I'm on the border. Like, do I like it, or will I allow myself to like it? You ain't got a bow tie on the front. That's what I'm saying. Hell of a ride, baby.
Is that a Turbo LS?
Yeah. Turbo LS. No, it is actually, I know what engines it is, it's a fast car.
Yeah.